Yo, what is up, YouTube? Dylan, aka the POKÉ Plug here, starting off my channel. First video, we're gonna be opening up an Elite Trainer box of Temporal Forces. Hopefully we get some pulls. Let's get into it. All right, guys, first video here on the channel, we are opening up Scarlet and Violet Temporal Forces. Let's dig into this thing. Hopefully we can get some good pulls. All right, so if you're checking out the channel, you obviously probably already watch Pokemon stuff, so you know what these guys come with. We got nice little deck sleeves. Got our promo Fluttermane here. Obviously the energy pack. We got condition counters. We got our dice that come with it, our little dividers. Now the good part, we got our packs. Let's freaking get into this thing. All right, let's hope we get some pulls. Oh man, and they're stuck together. All right, starting off with a black one. Hopefully these get better from here. We got a Golett, Lego Meltan, Nuzleaf, Electivire, Chinchino, Sableye, Mist Energy, Reverse Hollow Frostmoth. Ooh, and we got him a Rhydon EX right off the bat. Let's get this thing in a sleeve. Nice. First one, not too bad. Can we get something from the second one? Man, these things are hard to open. All right. Code card, energy out. Puchieno, Wiglet, Arbok, Seedot, Ancient Booster Energy, Iron Treads, Buddy Poffin. Ooh, Reverse Hollow Koraidon. We'll keep him off to the side. Got a Roserade and Roaring Moon Hollow. Not bad. Let's get into another one. So far, not too bad. Code card out, energy out. Got a Minchino, Rockruff, Litten, Shroomish, Great Tusk, Morty's Conviction, Shiftry. Ooh, we got a Master Ball. Hell yeah, I love these A-Spec cards. Set him off there. Mawile. And Hollow Dunsparce. We're going to set him over here with that one. Now, another pack of Temporal Forces. And for checking out my video, guys, here is a free code card. Go ahead and take that. All right, energy out. We got Totodile, Deerling, P-Dove, Pineco, Lycanroc, Delcatty, Future Booster Energy Capsule, Reverse Hollow Victini, Reverse Hollow Keldeo, and we got a Fluttermane. Nice. We'll keep all our hollows there. Let's get into another pack. Come on, more EXs. Give me some full arts or alt arts. Energy out. We'll flip it. We got Lickitung, Chargebug, Slugma, Solosis, Bianca's Devotion. Got a Reuniclus, Explorer's Guidance, Reverse Hollow Beldum, Reverse Hollow Hoot Hoot, and we got another Koraidon Hollow. We got 4 more packs, guys. Let's see if we can get something good out of here. Code card and energy out. Flip it. Mawile, Metatite, Turtonator, Hoot Hoot, Iron Hands, Heavy Baton, Mist Energy, Reverse Hollow Grubbin, Reverse Hollow Perleus Jungle, and an Iron Valiant Hollow. All right, come on, EXs and full arts. Some full art trainers would be awesome. All right, get the energy out. Got Skitty, Electabuzz, Bramblin, Girafarig, Latios, Ancient Booster Energy, Iron Treads, Minchino, Reverse Hollow Dunsparce, and a Gouging Fire EX. Hell yeah, we're going to get that one in a sleeve as well. Put that over here with the Miraidon. We got 2 more packs, guys. Let's see if we can pull something cool. Code card out, flip them. Beldum, Breloom, Roly-Coly, Heatmore, Sandy Shocks, Behem, Rapidash, Reverse Hollow Great Tusk. Ooh, 2 Reverse Hollow Great Tusks. Woo. And a Macargo Hollow. We're going to keep these up there. And all of these cards are going to be for sale on my Instagram. Some are going up on my eBay. Feel free to DM me on Instagram if you're interested in any of them. All right, last pack, guys. What can we get? Roselia, Cutiefly, Drillbur, Rellor, Lycanroc, Buddy Poffin, Delcatty, Reverse Hollow, same Delcatty, Reverse Hollow Lickitung, and an Iron Thorns Hollow. Not the worst haul. Master Ball here, Miraidon, and Gouging Fire were definitely our best pulls. Not unhappy with that. Hell yeah, thank you guys for tuning in to my first YouTube video. I hope that was dope. I will be putting up way more of these as well as reels up on my TikTok, my Instagram. Make sure to check out my eBay shop. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, help me grow here. This is the POKÉ Plug. Catch you later.